Now let's make our header sticky header. So when you will scroll down, your header will go with you on the top of the screen. So for that we need to increase the length of the page. Let's go to the edit page and let's add some content in it, dummy content. We can get the dummy content. Dummy text from here. We will go here, and from here we will select 1000 words in 8 paragraph. Let's copy it. Copied. Let's go back and we will paste here, save here, and let's go and see on the front end. Here you can see right now our header is not a sticky header, so we will make it sticky header. Now customize, we'll go here, and from here we'll go to the header. From the header we'll step to the header and then global header, and yes, this Blocksy companion plugin is missing, so we'll go back to our dashboard, and from here we will go to plugins, add new, and from here we will search the plugin with the keywords, and here is Blocksy companion plugin. So we'll install and activate this plugin. So it's installing right now, installed, and now we will activate this. Let's go back to the customizer and refresh the page. Now again we'll go to the header, step to header, global header. Now we have this option for the sticky header, so we can just click on it and we will publish. Let's see on the front end how it looks. Here you can see, oops, I think we did not selected the options. We will go back to the header, step to header, then from here we need to select the option like this one. This one is the main header. That will be, here you can see only main row. So the main row is actually this middle row is the main row, and this is the top row, and this is bottom row. So main row mean this row, and publish. Let's see now. Go to this, and now you can see the header. Our header is now sticky header. So we have some more options here. Actually now you can see there are so much empty spaces, they are not looking good, so we can fix them as well in the customizer. We will go and we will go back. Let's do it from here. We click on main container or row, and from this we can adjust the row height. Here you can see. Now I think this is fine. Let's publish, and let's see on the front end. Refresh the page. Here you can see, and we can resize this logo as well. So right now this is looking good. So let's go for the other options. We will go to the customizer, and from here let's go to the again, let's go here, header. In the header, for exploring more options, let me show you what is the option available. Let's add account here, publish, and let's go and check, refresh the page, and here you can see this is the account. Let's to make it prominent, let's go back, and this time we'll go on it. In the design we will default state and sticky state. Okay, default state, let's make its color this one for the default state. Now let's go back, refresh the page. Here you can see, and let's go back to customizer, and we will, okay, header, we will make top and main row sticky. So let's go again here, refresh it, the page. Here you can see, okay, this sticky state we can adjust it little more. We can go back here, and in the design we have the option sticky state color. We can make it this one. Sorry, it's not clicking. Yes, now publish, go back, refresh. Here you can see the difference. And now let me show you again. We have some more options, like we will go back to the header, global, and okay, we will add a widget here. Go back, elements, and from here let's add to legal. Okay, publish, and let's go back, header, global header, and let's make it all rows sticky. Publish, now refresh. Here you can see this is also sticky, all three sticky. We have some more options. Let's go and explore them. Here you can see we can main and bottom sticky. Publish, refresh. Here you can see top row is not showing, not sticky, and other two are sticky. Let's go back to customizer. We can make only bottom row sticky. Here you can see, let's refresh the page, and you can see other two are not, only bottom one is sticky. So these are the options for the sticky headers. Back to customizer, we will use this one, simple, and let's refresh, and now only main row will be sticky, and rest of the two options we don't need them, so we will cancel them. And now we have some effects on this sticky header that we can use. Here we have some effects. From here we can use slide down. Let's apply and see what is this. Yes, refresh. Here you can see when we scroll down, initially it will go up and then he will slide down. So this is the slide down effect. And we have some more effect like fade, refresh. Now what it will do, when we will go up, it will be faded and suddenly it will come. Here you can see it is not sliding in, it is just fade in. So, and we have more options. So we have some more options as well, but I will recommend you not to go with any of the effect. Just keep it simple. For a professional website, the important thing is your website should be simple and your content should be helpful. So these two things are enough for creating a good professional website that will actually convert the visitor into your customers. Now we will make this header transparent header. Right now this is a sticky header, and for making it transparent, the first step, instead of this text content, we should have an image here. So while developing, you can have a better visual understanding. So let's edit this page, and we will edit it with the Elementor. For adding the image, we will edit it with Elementor, and here we can delete this. Here you can see we have the page title, so we can remove it, and so we have a clear page. So let's go to the page settings, and here we will have the option of page layout. From here we will make it edit Elementor full width. Right now I will not deep dive in Elementor. We will explain about Elementor in next video. So I will just, you can see now header is removed, and now I will remove this content as well. And here we will have a flex box, and inside this we can add an image, and we can have another option. We will go to the main section, and then we will go to the style, and here we have background option, and in the background we can add an image, we can add color, image, gradient, video, and slide bar. We can say image slider. So we can go here. From here we can add a color and an image. From here we can go and we will add this image, and we will resize the image to the cover, and I think center. Now let's increase the size of the section. So the image we can see this is a viewport height, and we can make it 100. That's mean it will be fit to screen. Okay, whatever the screen, it will fit in the screen. So we will publish this, and we can do another thing. We can add a overlay, because right now this is so bright, so we will add an overlay color on it. We can do that, and we can have this color from here. We can use this dark color, and now you can increase or decrease its opacity from here, but we will take it as default like 0.5. On full one it will be only color, so we will not use it, we will make it 0.5. okay, so let's save it, and now let's go to the customizer. Let's refresh it. So here, from here we will go to the header, and in the header we will go to the header step and global header, and from here we have the option transparent functionality. We will enable it, and now you can see that. Let's publish and see it's on the front end. Here you can see right now this is not looking good. You can see that this is not readable. So let's go back to the customizer, and we will go to the menu, and in the menu we will go to the design, and in the design default state we will make it white, and now you can see this is looking good. And if you want, you can, it's already bold, and you can increase the size to 16, whatever you want. So you can make these changings as well. So let's publish it, and let's see on the front end how it looks. Yes, now this is looking good. Yes, in the sticky header you can see this is not visible. So we will again go to the customizer, and header step to header, and then global header, and then we have design option, and here you can see just a minute, not header, we will go to the menu, and in the design option here we have the default state, and then we have transparent state. In the transparent state we can make it white, and in this sticky state we can make it again white. Now publish it. Let's see on the front end. Here you can, oops, we make a mistake. We'll go back. I'll go here. Because sticky header has white background, so we should have the black text color. So let's publish. Let's go on the front end. Here you can see now this is looking awesome. So this is how you can make your header as transparent. So we have some more options as well. Let's suppose you don't want to use this opacity, or overlay color, then what will happen? Let's see on the front end now. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see this is still looking good because of background color. If the background color is more light, in that case this text could be a problem. But still we have some options, like we will explore them. We will go to the customizer, and from here we will go to the header. Sorry, it's footer. Let's go to the header here, and then we have design, and here we have the default state, transparent state, and here we will go and we will choose let's suppose we will choose this color, and let's make it just make it blur. Here you can see now we just decreased its opacity how much possible. I think this is looking good. Here we can stop it, refresh, publish, and let's go on the front end and refresh the. Here you can see. So now this is looking even more better. You can see the header, this image is so bright, so the white text on it, that was creating little bit issue, but now when we added some background to it, and it's working very good now. It's looking very good now, I think. And you can see when we scroll, the background convert into white, full white, and text black. So I think this is the best feature that Blocksy is giving in free version.